This Avancir tutorial covers the inventory activity and how to use the inventory activity for your items within Avancir. Note, this tutorial will cover the standard configuration of the inventory activity. Your customized version of this activity may differ slightly. The inventory activity is intended to help take inventory of items in your production area. The activity will refer to your existing item records that have associated RFID values. To begin, scroll to the inventory activity on the home screen, or select the activity drop-down in the main menu on the left side of the screen. Then select Inventory, and when you're ready to begin the activity, press the Start button. You will be prompted to select a location where you'll be taking inventory by browsing the list of available locations. Select Warehouse, which you can see has several items within it in the items grid. Click Next to move on to the following screen. You'll see a list of items expected to be at the selected location. If you click on any of the items in this list, you can view the information associated with each item. There are also tabs on this screen for confirmed items and extra items. Items will move from expected to confirmed when you perform the scan, and the items are picked up by the reader. Any items picked up during the scan that aren't on the expected list will appear under the Extra tab. Press and hold the trigger to start scanning for the expected items. As you find them, they will move to the confirmed list. If you don't find an item on the expected list for this location, it will remain on the expected list, and the status for the item will be changed to Missing. Swipe right on an expected item to mark it as confirmed, or swipe left on a confirmed item to return it to the expected list. A quick way to make adjustments during the activity. On the extra items list, you can see that some of these additional tags have existing item records in Avancir. These item records will be updated by the inventory activity. You might also have stray reads from additional tags not associated to Avancir items. If a tag has no associated item record, it will not cause an update in Avancir. At the bottom right of the screen, you can see a power indicator, which is set to 50% by default. Tap on this indicator and use the slider to increase or decrease reader power. Increasing the reader power can be helpful if you want to scan a larger area. Decreasing the reader power can be helpful to reduce the read range and the amount of stray reads. When you're finished scanning, click Next. Once you finish scanning, Avancir automatically updates statuses. On the Finalize Inventory Update screen, review the counts of confirmed, missing, and extra items. Note that not every extra tag is tied to an item. The extra count will be lower than the total extra tags scanned if some of the extra tags were not linked to existing records. Confirmed and extra items become active, while anything not found is marked missing. No manual changes needed. This behavior is based on your configuration. Your version of Avancir may be set up to handle certain statuses or updates differently, depending on your operational needs. And if any extra items are recognized by the system, Avancir will automatically assign them to this inventory location, helping maintain accurate location tracking without additional steps. This final step reflects how your instance is configured. The platform is doing the heavy lifting for you. After running the activity and reviewing the counts, click Finish and update the items at this location. Check the items grid to see the updates for the confirmed and missing items at this inventory location, as well as the extra items found during the activity. Looking back at the mobile app, select the button toward the bottom of the screen that says See Previous Executions. At this point, you can see the total executions of this activity, as well as which ones were completed and which ones were started and exited or not finished. Tap on an execution to see more details about the activity. Here you can see the status, started time, completed time, and the user that performed this activity. You can also view a report containing inventory location, duration, expected count, and confirmed count, as well as extra count and any missing items. Select Back to return to the inventory activity or navigate back to the home screen. You can also view this activity report in the web portal by selecting the activity from the drop-down menu and navigating to the activity execution. That's it for this demo of the inventory activity in Avancir. Check out our other demo videos, or read articles in the knowledge base linked in the description for more details. Thanks for watching.